Hey, what's up guys? I hope that you can see me. Today is the day that we're closing on the first Airbnb apartment. So we're gonna execute the transaction and take physical possession right away. And part of taking physical possession to us is changing the locks. And Mr. Uchenna is helping us here to change the locks. We're going to leave the deadbolts. We're just gonna change the ones that has the key. Let me give you guys just a quick tour. So you guys can see the before you guys see the after. So this is the living room. The good thing is this place comes furnished. That's going to save me a lot of money initially and headache. But there's a few things we need to change. Probably this cover is going to change. The blue is a bit bright. Either get someone to polish this, repaint it, change the carpets. This place comes with the TV, polish this up. I don't know about keeping this, maybe it stays, maybe it goes, we don't know. The table needs to be fixed a bit. It's a little bit wobbly. But yeah, so that's the living room area. We probably need to change the lights. It's not working, we'll probably polish it up, change it up to something nice. Let me take you guys in. The kitchen. It has a lot of potential, but we'll probably change the stove to occupy this space. There's some things that have broken here that we will fix. The washer, the kitchen, the fridge. There's a lot to polish up in this apartment, but I'm just showing you guys how we got it and what it is now, so you guys can see the after photos. There's a lot of imperfections, like walls that has been broken in, cabinets. It needs like a deep clean, but it's good bones. Right. Come in here. These are the bedrooms are actually functionally fine. Yeah. So I brought some TVs, so we need to put TVs in every room. But you know, we won't have to touch much in the bedrooms, I don't think. It looks pretty good. The closet is great. Everything works, it slides. So yeah, we might take off some of these things. Anyways, little small details. We'll clean up the edges. The bathroom, it would need major deep cleaning. We need to change the lights. We need to change some of these areas, clean it up, change the toilet cover. Let's see, let's check out this room. This room seems okay, not too much. We'll just do a deep clean, spruce it up a little bit. Let's see, this is room number 2. All right, let's go check it out. And then we're in the hallway here. This is the master bedroom, guys. Wow, check this out. So again, we'll probably change a few things here. We might change that, we might leave it for now, but at least it has the furniture. This one has a desk. We'll just have to figure out how to rearrange this room. I might rearrange this place a bit, but we'll see how this works. Bathroom. Some major stuff here. Woo! Look at that, guys. That would need to be replaced tiles. I am thinking of relocating this one to maybe potentially there, I think. But yeah, changing the toilet seats. But the flooring is actually great, thank God, in the apartment. Just other things. Anyways, let's go outside. Tour. Alright guys, here's what the outside looks like. So I'm excited to have some of you guys come and check out this Airbnb. We got it today and we're gonna get to work right away and try to see if we can get it fixed up. What was I gonna say? So yeah, anyways guys, that is the tour. I can't wait to show you guys the after photos of what it looks like and have you guys come and patronize us when you come to Nigeria. I'm so excited. Let me give you guys more ambience. The good thing I like is they have some greenery, so not a lot. As you guys can see, they have some greenery here. They tried some greenery there, a little garden, little plants and trees. That gives it a little bit of fresh air. If you guys can see, they also have some palm trees that they put. So they tried. It's not bad. Let me give you guys more tour. See? More greeneries. They're not too bad. At least they don't have zero. The security post is out there to come in. The generator is out there. So yeah. Alright guys, I have another surprise for you guys that I forgot to share. My daughter would say surprise. Alright, let's go. I'm also taking you guys on a shortcut. So here's the apartment right there, so you guys can see. That's the apartment. And then we will bring it back here. You guys see they have some greenery, a little bit. Which is great. Look at these. They look like they're mini bananas. You guys see these mini bananas? But I don't think they are. Guys, check this out. There is a pool. That was the surprise. Ugh. And it's so clean. Exciting. You guys can lounge. A little bit of nature. Alright, so that's the surprise. But guess what? I have another surprise. Let's go check it out. Treadmill that you can use. And there's also some strength training stuff you can do over there. And then they also have a woman and a men's shower with the view. Anyways guys, that's the surprise for you guys. Let's go back out. Comment below, what do you guys think? Would you guys rent this Airbnb? Or what do you guys think in general of the layout? By the way guys, this place is in Oniru, very close to Market, Lekki Akpa Expressway, Landmark Beach. I mean, it's close to the ocean. The location is wonderful. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. I just wanted to take you guys on a tour of acquiring my first Airbnb. I'm so excited. Alright guys, comment underneath this below. And lastly, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.